Forget everything you think you know about RVs. These are 10 American motorhomes that redefine what luxury on wheels really means. Hidden garages, private cinemas, marble kitchens, million-dollar interiors. One of them was even recommended by Sylvester Stallone to Will Smith. And by the end, you'll see why one coach stands completely alone at the top. Number 10. Renegade Classic Super C, the toy hauler with a race car in its belly. There's a specific kind of American who won't choose between a road trip and a track day. Renegade RV built the answer. The Renegade Classic is what the industry calls a Super C, not a stripped-down RV frame, but a genuine heavy-duty truck chassis. A Freightliner Cascadia, a Peterbilt, a Western Star, or a Volvo VNL. The same platforms that haul freight across the country, now wearing a residential interior instead of a trailer hitch. The feature that sets it apart is the garage. Roll up the rear door and there's a fully enclosed bay rated for motorcycles, ATVs, or, on the right floor plan, a full-size car. Load the toy before you leave the driveway, unload it the moment you arrive, and the same space folds back into a lounge when it's empty. Fully built Renegade Classics run well past $400,000, and heavily customized units climb into 7 figures once buyers start spexing chassis options, generator upgrades, and hand-finished interiors. That's an entry point by American standards. Keep that number in mind, because the category only gets stranger from here. Number 9. Show Hauler, the semi-truck that became a 5-star suite. If the Renegade is a motorhome pretending to be tough, this next one is a genuine semi-truck that decided to become a motorhome instead. Show Hauler truck starts with real commercial tractor chassis, the same trucks hauling freight on the interstate, and builds custom Super C living quarters directly onto them. From a distance, it looks like an ordinary big rig. Get closer and the illusion breaks completely. Raised roofs, full-height living space, hidden workshop bays, interiors finished to a standard that would embarrass coaches costing triple the price. That contrast is the whole appeal. Touring bands, race teams, and car collectors get a mobile workshop, a green room, and a 5-star suite in one vehicle that still fuels and services like the commercial truck it's built from. Recent builds run from around $200,000 for a modest conversion up toward $1 million for the heaviest customization. A genuine semi-truck in a tuxedo, and one of the few American motorhomes that started life hauling something other than a family. But some buyers on this list weren't chasing a workshop on wheels. They wanted somewhere no road could reach at all. Number 8. EarthRoamer XV-LTS, the one that makes its own power in the desert. Some motorhomes need a campground. This one needs a desert and nothing else. Colorado-based EarthRoamer builds for a customer who has no interest in a hookup site. The XV-LTS starts as a Ford F550 Super Duty, then gets a molded composite living module, 41-inch military-spec tires on beadlock wheels, and suspension built to survive terrain that would strand a normal RV within the first mile. Step inside, though, and none of that rugged intent shows. Granite or quartz counters, maple cabinetry, a king-size bed, a wet bath that would fit into a boutique hotel. Here's the number that actually matters, the one most owners never even need to test. Roughly 1,200 watts of solar feeding a battery bank that can run the whole vehicle for days without a generator. Backed by a 90-gallon freshwater tank and a 90-gallon diesel supply, good for hundreds of miles between fill-ups. Park it in Baja, the high desert, or the Alaskan backcountry, and it doesn't need a single connection to function like a home. A new XV-LTS starts around $438,000 and climbs past $500,000 with the extended tire package, upgraded solar, and custom finishes. No other American builder folds true off-road capability and 5-star finish into one vehicle quite like this. We're only 3 entries in, and we haven't even reached the coaches that measure their build time in months. Number 7. Featherlite Vantare, the Prevost coach racing owned first. Long before tech money and streamers discovered luxury coaches, one name already had a customer base that lived at 200 miles an hour for a living. Featherlite converted Prevost bus chassis, the same commercial-grade platform used by touring musicians and pro sports teams, into fully custom coaches for NASCAR drivers, team owners, and crew chiefs who spent more nights on the road than at home. The pitch was simple: survive an entire racing season of interstate mileage without the reliability headaches of a normal RV chassis, then actually relax in it after a 200-lap Sunday. Used Featherlite Prevost conversions trade anywhere from the high 5 figures for older units up past $1.3 million for recent heavily optioned coaches. Corey encounters, full entertainment centers, and sleeping quarters for an entire road crew come standard. This is a name that built its reputation in the garage areas of American motorsports, long before it ever showed up on a YouTube luxury list. Number 6. Newmar King Aire. Indiana's answer to the question, how far can a factory take this? Here's something that separates this coach from everyone you've just seen. It isn't a conversion, and it isn't a one-off custom build. It rolls off an actual Newmar production line in Napanee, Indiana, and it still competes with coaches that took a year to hand build. It rides on a Spartan K3 tag axle chassis with a 605 horsepower Cummins, the same engine family Newell uses. Standard equipment includes a 640 amp-hour lithium battery bank strong enough to run multiple air conditioners off-grid, a 65-inch Samsung QLED in the living area, and an Artisan Series custom paint process that lets a buyer spec a one-of-one exterior graphic without commissioning a fully custom coach. New King Air units list from roughly $1.7 million and climb toward $1.85 million with the Artisan paint and premium options. Not affordable by any human measure, but a genuinely different business model than everything ranked below it. No waitlist measured in years, no design consultation that takes a decade off your life. Just the most expensive thing a production RV factory in America currently builds. That sounds like the ceiling. It isn't even close. Number 5. Foretravel Realm Presidential. The motorhome with a spa tub built in. Picture climbing out of a hot tub inside a motorhome. Foretravel, out of Nacogdoches, Texas, builds the Realm Presidential on a chassis nobody else in the industry uses, the Spartan K4, engineered specifically for this coach's ride and handling. But the chassis isn't what sells it. The bathroom does. The Presidential's spa configuration includes a Kohler soaking tub with over 100 heated air jets, a television angled for viewing from inside the tub, and speakers hidden directly in the bathroom walls. It sounds like a joke until you remember this is a motorhome bathroom, not a spa suite squeezed into a hotel corner. The rest of the coach backs it up. A power drop-down flooring system keeps the floor level whether the slide-outs are in or out. Quartz counters run throughout, and the chassis has an integrated braking system for anything towed behind it. New units carry an MSRP north of $1.8 million, putting it among the most expensive motorhomes actually built on an assembly line rather than commissioned one at a time. We're past the halfway point now, and every coach left on this list was built to order, one at a time, by hand. Number 4. Liberty Coach, the oldest Prevost converter still building. In 1968, a man named Frank Koenigseder Sr. bought a used Greyhound bus and started converting it in his side yard outside Libertyville, Illinois. That backyard project became Liberty Coach, and it's still family-owned today, over 50 years and hundreds of coaches later. The flagship is the Elegant Lady, a heavily customized Prevost H345 with a design language the company deliberately keeps restrained. Modern, but not trendy enough to look dated in 3 years. Liberty spends real engineering time on suspension and weight balance before a single interior decision gets locked in, which is part of why one professional NASCAR driver put it bluntly. It's the best thing on the circuit, and nothing else even comes close. Used Elegant Ladies run from around $300,000 for early 2000s, builds up past $1.8 million for late model quad slides, with new custom orders starting near $2.5 million. Liberty completes roughly 24 coaches a year, by hand, at the same shop in North Chicago the family has used for decades. One coach builder in Oregon does something even more extreme. It just does more of it. Number 3. Marathon Coach, the world's largest Prevost converter. Since 1983, Marathon Coach out of Coburg, Oregon has done one thing better than almost anyone else in the country. Take a raw Prevost bus chassis and turn it into a private residence. Marathon doesn't engineer its own chassis the way Newell does. It starts with the same Prevost H345 or X345 platforms used by touring operations worldwide, then puts somewhere between 10,000 and 15,000 labor hours into the conversion. Crestron integrated audio and lighting, off-grid power substantial enough for extended boondocking, and interiors customized down to the stitching pattern are just part of a process that typically takes 9 to 12 months per coach. New Marathon coaches start around $3 million, while the secondary market offers entry points as low as $200,000 for older units. That range is wide enough that a Marathon can be either the most attainable used luxury coach in the country or a 7-figure custom commission, depending entirely on which decade you're shopping. If you thought that spread was wide, wait until you hear what one Hollywood actor talked another into buying. Number 2. Anderson Mobile Estates, the Hollywood mansion on 22 wheels. Sylvester Stallone made the recommendation personally. When Will Smith needed a home base for filming Men in Black 3, Stallone pointed him toward Anderson Mobile Estates, and Smith walked away with a coach called the Heat, priced at $2.5 million. From the outside, moving down a highway, the Heat looks like an oversized luxury trailer on 22 wheels. Then it parks. 8 hydraulic pistons lift the entire roof structure, and a complete second floor unfolds. A private 30-seat cinema with full screening capability, built for a client whose job occasionally requires reviewing dailies on location instead of at a studio lot. The ground floor alone carries $300,000 in custom leather, and the bathroom's glass door turns fully opaque at the push of a button. No frosting, no delay. Smith lived in the Heat during production of both Men in Black 3 and The Pursuit of Happiness. Today you can rent it in Eagan, Texas for $9,000 a night, which is proof that in America, even a fictional mansion eventually becomes a real Airbnb. Everything you've seen so far had a rival, a comparison, a close enough competitor. Number 1 doesn't. Number 1, Newell Coach P50, the most exclusive motor coach built in North America. Everything on this list has competed to impress. This builder doesn't compete, it just builds, without a competitor in the frame. Founded in Miami, Oklahoma in 1967, Newell finishes somewhere between 20 and 30 coaches a year, and unlike every other name here, it doesn't convert an existing bus chassis at all. Newell engineers its own chassis from scratch, purpose-built for each coach, powered by a 605 horsepower Cummins X15 and a reimagined cockpit with a panoramic windshield and digital dash. Nothing about a Newell started life as something else. Owners describe the ride as closer to a private jet than a bus, which tracks since the company pulls its design language straight from yachts, aircraft, and Porsche-designed exteriors. Interiors run to marble floors, hand-stitched leather, and, in at least one documented build, alligator leather cockpit seats with heat and massage. Every unit differs because every unit is built entirely to order. There's no assembly line to standardize against. New 2027 Newell P50 builds list around $2.7 to $2.8 million, and the used market holds value almost unmatched in the industry, with recent resales still commanding $1.2 to $1.9 million depending on year and spec. Industry analysts put it plainly. Nothing from Newmar, Tiffin, or Integra competes with a P50 on price, exclusivity, or engineering. Its only real rivals are the best Prevost conversions from Liberty and Marathon, and even those are built on somebody else's frame. That's the gap that puts Newell at number 1. Every other coach on this list, however extraordinary, still starts life as a chassis designed by someone else, for some other purpose, before it gets converted. The Newell P50 is the only one in the country engineered from the first bolt to be exactly what it is. Not a truck, not a bus, not a conversion, a motor coach, built for nothing else. A Super C with a race car hidden in its belly. A semi-truck wearing a 5-star suite. A desert-ready EarthRoamer that never needs a hookup. A Prevost coach forged in the NASCAR garage circuit. A factory flagship from Indiana that competes with hand-built customs. A Foretravel with a spa tub built for the road. The oldest Prevost converter in the country, still family-run. The largest one, out of Oregon. Will Smith's Hollywood mansion on 22 wheels. And at the very top, Newell, the only fully from-scratch luxury motor coach still built in America today. If you made it this far, hit like and subscribe so you catch the next one. And I want to hear it from you. Out of these 10, which one are you actually driving off the lot? And where's the first trip? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone.